I would just like to take a second to admire this piece of art. You know, it's not every day that you run across something this beautiful. Anyways, hello my friends, I am Mia that Mua. What is popping? I guess you could say welcome back to my channel. So, today I wanted to create just a really easy makeup tutorial. So, okay, so I am wearing one eyeshadow in this, and it is from the Soft Glam palette. And this is my favorite look because it's one motherfucking eyeshadow, and it's really easy to do. So if you are interested in learning how to create this look, which is super easy, super quick, then keep watching. Maybe get a snack, you know, just drink some water, do your thing. Thank you for watching, my friends. I really hope that this video was helpful. I worked really hard on it. I hope you have a wonderful day. You know, because you deserve a wonderful day. Farewell. I guess that now I'm gonna go finish this. Maybe I'll cook it too, but we'll see. If I'm feeling like it, I will. But I'll keep you updated.